Generous donations to the K² Fund have enabled us to bring the Royal Institution out to Hong Kong. The Royal Institution bring out their Christmas lectures. We retitle them Science Live, and as part of the Christmas lectures they bring out eminent scientists such as Giles Yeo and Sophie Scott, who are people who are leading their fields of research back in the UK. And these people come to us with a product, a fun science lecture that's engaging and creative and exciting. This benefits the science staff at Kellett because the science staff get to spend time with these scientists and learn how they make their areas so interesting and how they bring their own passions to their work. And then we can take those lessons into our own classrooms and we can use them to apply to our curriculum to make our own lessons even more engaging and even more exciting for our students.
So obviously these kind of lectures are just incredibly important for the school as a whole, and the opportunity to have people come in and really promote science in school is amazing, and I think being able to have that opportunity can only be a benefit. So hopefully we get more opportunities in the future to keep getting scientists in, keep having these opportunities to really grow our own Kellett scientists for the next generation.